Hi, this is Kyle, and I want to tell you about the FAST-ACT Microfiber Towel Kit. This product uses the FAST-ACT sorbent powder technology wrapped up in this convenient package which contains 2 microfiber towels. This is great for that small decon of items, maybe where your tactical gear, binoculars, boots, really just about anything, even electronics, get contaminated. You actually just tear this open, pull out the 2 microfiber towels, unroll them. You can utilize the green towel first to soak up any excess liquid, and then contained within the black microfiber towel is the FAST-ACT Decontamination powder. Just begin to spread that out all over the surface, work it into the corners, get that powder into contact with that residue. Best of all then, when you're done, you can just take all this residue, take the microfiber towels, pack it back up into this, and zip it back up. Easy as that. Stay safe and stay prepared with FAST-ACT.